Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Lincoln MKX. The MKX offers performance that's ahead of the curve, boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a 3.5-liter Duratec V6 engine that delivers 265 horsepower. The MKX is truly empowered for action. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.